In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest account public. So this is a very quick tutorial. Step one, you have to launch or open your Pinterest application here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then step two, you have to look for your profile that is at the bottom right corner. Tap that one. Now, step three, you have to tap this gear icon at the top. This is your settings. Step four, go to profile visibility, tap this one. And then step five, all you have to do is to not toggle this one on or turn this one on. See, if you want your profile to be private, you just have to turn this one on. When your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following list. Also, same with search privacy. So if you want your profile to set on public, you just have to turn this one off. As easy as that. Okay? So that's it. That's how easy it is. So when people visit your profile, they can see your boards, your pins, and everything here on your Pinterest. As you can see here, the lock item or icon was removed. So that means your profile is set to public. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.